Welcome back everyone to Shreya and Shravya's Kitchenette. First of all, Ramadan Kareem to all of you. Today we have come with a delicious Italian recipe of parsley chicken lasagna. It is prepared by using the lasagna sheet or the pasta and layered by the creamy sauce and cheese. So now, without wasting time, let's begin with the recipe. First, we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil into a hot pan. Then, we'll be adding our chopped onions and garlic. Now let's saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes. Saute it unless it changes to a golden brown color. Then add 2 ounces of butter and mix it continuously. Then we can add 2 tablespoons of flour and then again give it a nice mix. Then we will be adding 1 cup of milk and 1 cup of cooking cream. Mix it continuously until it turns to a creamy texture. Then we can add some salt for taste and then mix it continuously. Make sure you don't overheat the sauce. Now we'll be adding 2 teaspoons of black pepper into the sauce and give it a nice mix. Then we will add our freshly chopped parsley leaves into the sauce. Now let's give it a nice mix. Combine it well with the sauce at low flame for a minute or so. Now let's take a large vessel of water over the stove and add our pasta into it. Then add 2 tablespoons of salt and give it a nice mix and leave it to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So now let's prepare our second sauce. For that, we'll be taking 1 cup of yogurt and then we'll be adding our 1 cup mozzarella cheese into the bowl. Then we will be adding our freshly chopped parsley leaves and then we will be giving it a nice mix. Make sure everything combines well. Now we'll be adding an egg into the bowl and then we'll mix it well. Make sure everything combines well. Now let's take a tray and add our sauce and then let's layer it with our pasta. Now let's add cooked shredded chicken over the pan. Now we'll be adding our freshly prepared parsley cream over the chicken so that the chicken absorbs the cream well. So as to increase the tenderness of the chicken. Next, we'll continue the step by adding the pasta. Over that, our parsley sauce, then our chicken and our cream. Make sure you spread the sauce evenly at every corners. Now, let's give it a finishing touch by adding our mozzarella cheese. Now, leave it to bake for about 10 to 15 minutes in the oven. So this was the most useful way of preparing parsley chicken lasagna at our home. It's the best dish to serve to your friends and family during this Ramadan. I hope you liked this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Till then, bye.